If you burp 1,000 times a day, this video is for you. Hi there, my name's Reese. I'm a nutritionist. I work specifically with people to get to the root cause of their reflux and their bloating. And burping for me is a sure sign that you do not have enough acid to digest your food. It's sitting there fermenting, creating gas, and then you're burping it out. And so what I normally do with my clients is, while I'm trying to get to the root cause of the burping, and I think it's probably just H. pylori or an overgrowth of yeast, I will give them something like Digest Purge before meals. Digest Purge contains both HCl, which is stomach acid, and digestive enzymes that will allow you to break down your food better, which will reduce your burping while you get to the root cause of your problem. So if you're someone who's tried lots of different things and you still burp all the time, it might be worth trying some Digest Purge for a couple of months to see how you feel.